Yo folks, it's Taras, and in today's video I want to talk about Zapier, which is an automation framework that I found that you can use for your hobby project or business to automate workflows and specifically like manual tasks that you're doing. And we'll explore some of what's possible to do and what I've done with my two little zaps that I have. But really, under the hood, this is using REST APIs, so interacting with web applications. And it doesn't use code, so you don't have to be a software engineer to do something like this, as opposed to, for me, I am a software engineer, and in my work, I'll be actually interacting with REST APIs, building Java, JavaScript, Python to do these kinds of tasks. So this tool seems really cool, and I think it can save people a lot of time, especially who aren't familiar with code. And so let's explore a couple of the tasks that I've done, and I'd be really curious what sort of workflows you have that you'd like to automate that are really chewing up a lot of your time and you don't want to do. And we can talk about, does Zapier meet your needs, or do you need something more custom to accomplish that? So let's dig in here. So this one is add a Weber subscribers for a new submission to a Webflow form. What does that mean? So the Webflow form refers to my website, khaldun.tech, where I've got whatever little sign-up form. I'm trying to remember where that is. Yeah, right here. You sign up on this thing, and then that gets you set up onto my email list. So once again, we've got the integration between Webflow and then creating a subscriber in Aweber. And then my second one is uploading YouTube videos to Discord. So when I publish a new YouTube video, I want to get it out to the world, right? And it's a pain in the butt to go and copy and paste this to any sort of social media that I would want to do. And so to automate that as much as possible seems really useful, especially to any sort of content creator, a YouTube or Twitch streamer. So I just set up my Khaldun Discord page the other day and set up a videos section. And so this one, I just copied and pasted over my latest YouTube video, how to get started with automation on Windows. And then this one I used as a test for a previous video that I did that I'm pretty proud of, my Automagic phishing attacks in HackerSim. So I used a Python script to automate part of the gameplay for myself. And we just go through that in that video. And so you can see that I have this bot user called Zapier that just uploaded that video for me. And we've got the title and the YouTube link, and then it's nicely embedded in our Discord page. Again, I think this is really a fantastic tool for content creators. So kind of my question is, how much can we integrate this with various social media networks to be able to automate such things, especially if you're getting a lot of traffic on your videos? So anyway, let's just kind of finish up here by poking around just what's the workflow for creating a Zap. And so a Zap is one of these automations that is provided by the Zapier software as a service platform. So you can see that I've got a bunch of apps that I've at least looked at. GitHub is something I use for my code. MailChimp is something I've tried for an email list. Otherwise, I use Aweber now. And then Webflow for my website. Okay, YouTube and Discord for some social media. Webhooks by Zapier Premium. I don't necessarily know what that is, but I think it lets you do some more custom stuff, which could be good. And then Google Sheets and Microsoft Teams, I'd be curious what the use case is that people have. I could see that being useful for some sort of customer relationship management where, you get a new Facebook subscriber and then you want to enter them into your Google Sheets to keep track of their contact info and broadcast that out to some other tools. So I don't know. Let's see what else is good here. So we've got some Facebook stuff. What about Amazon? Okay, we've got Amazon Web Services types of things. So that's pretty cool. And then if we went to, let's just do some Google. Yeah, we've got all sorts of Google stuff we could do. So it seems pretty cool. How about, I don't know, SQL? Okay, so we've got some database stuff. Looks like it's premium. Seems fair. Oracle. Okay, so maybe a little bit less Oracle support. Oracle Primavera Cloud. That just sounds like some sort of pasta. I don't know. But yeah, once you've got your trigger, you can then link it to an action. So that's the core idea of the Zaps is the trigger and an action. And that lets you set out just some automation for yourself. So it seems pretty cool. It's something that I'm playing around with for automating some of my hobby projects. And I think it can be really powerful for building a business. But yeah, let me know what kind of automations you might be looking for and what you think of Zapier and other automation frameworks. Thanks for watching. Peace out.